This year, annual general meeting of Ottawa Real Estate Board took place in Museum of Science and Technology. What a great venue for such a meeting. Just walking towards the building, I had so much fun. President Dekker was giving his last speeches to the members of Ottawa Real Estate Board. It was not an easy year. He was talking about good and bad and the ugly. We said thanks to some Ottawa Real Estate board of directors. Some of them moved on, some of them retired. Recognized some members who've been with the board for 25 and even 50 years. What an accomplishment. And introduced a new president, Curtis Fuller. Goodbye, Ken's monthly reports, and hello, Curtis report. I had privilege to spend some time with ex-president of OREB, Deborah.
Usher-Ottawa real estate expert. Today we are attending the annual general meeting of Ottawa Real Estate Board in Museum of Science and Technology. It's absolutely beautiful. We are enjoying this beautiful tree and decided to tell you a few words. First of all, I just wanna to introduce to you my right hand, my right eye, and my everything is my actually also daughter-in-law and my contact manager, Valeria. She does so much work for me and she learned so much in the last year, and she's very interested to dedicate her career to real estate. And she is a corporate lawyer, recently came from Ukraine, and I am very happy to work with her. Valeria, are you enjoying to work with me as much as? For sure. What can you tell me? My daughter-in-law, what she can tell me? We have an amazing relationship. We have an amazing understanding. She has great knowledge of documentation and contractual obligations, and it's never mind which country you're in, the law is the law. So, Valeria, everybody, my everything. When I'm not here, she's for me doing all my very hard work. We had an amazing evening today during annual general meeting of Ottawa Real Estate Board. But after every party, it's beginning a day-to-day hard work of a real estate agent. Calling to the clients, your support, new clients, and clients that already were experienced my services, they all coming back or giving me references for new clients. In 2024, I absolutely hope for more support from you, because without you, I don't have such a successful career. I wish you all Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and I hope to hear from you and see you all next year. And I very much hope that we're going to have a peace and prosperity for everybody, and we're going to continue our mutually beneficial relationship. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Alvina Usher, your Ottawa real estate expert.